morning class, we will be going over a new strategy today called syntax surgery. And no, we're not going to be cutting anything open, but we are going to be dissecting some sentences that may have caused some confusion when you all were doing your assignment. Okay, so we have 4 steps we're going to do today. Number 1, we're going to identify a problematic sentence. A problematic sentence is something that may have caused some confusion when we read it. Okay. Number 2, we're going to write the sentence out and begin our surgery. Number 3, we are going to rearrange in word order. So this is going to make our sentence sound correct or sound a lot less confusing. And then number 4, we're going to recap and go back over how the sentence was and how it is now, making it correct, okay? So when I was reading your assignments, I found 2 sentences that were problematic for me when I read them, okay? So I have our first sentence here, which is, I like eating ice cream vanilla. So we have our capital and we have our period here, ending our sentence, but the sentence doesn't sound correct. So to fix the sentence, we're going to start to dissect it, okay? So we're going to cut here between I like and I'm going to stick it here. We're going to cut between eating ice cream and vanilla. We're going to cut between those 2 words as well. Now this is the part of the sentence that's causing some confusion. We have our noun and we have our adjective here, which should be describing our noun. Okay? So the correct way we should put the sentence is, I like eating, and then vanilla ice cream. So now we have our capital, we have our verb, we have our adjective, and we have our noun that we are describing. So we have, I like eating vanilla ice cream. What we had before was, I like ice cream vanilla, which is not correct. Okay? So we're going to move back to our correct way. I like eating vanilla ice cream. I have one more sentence for you all that we're going to go ahead and dissect. And this one's a pretty simple sentence. The dog Brown ran. So we have a noun, we have an adjective, and we have a verb. We also have our capital and our period ending the sentence. So what we're going to do here is cut the sentence up into pieces. Ms. Copeland is going to be very careful using her scissors. And have a runaway word. One moment. Okay, let me just grab my word that ran away from me. Okay, so we're going to start our sentence with the. Okay, so now we have our adjective here, we have our noun, which is dog, and we have our verb. So we need to put our adjective, brown, to describe our noun, which is dog, and our verb, ran. The brown dog ran. Okay, so that sounds a lot more, it makes a lot more sense than what we had before, which was the dog Brown ran. Okay, so we're going to move it back. And you all just take a look at these sentences so that when you go back to your desk to do your assignments, you have a better understanding of what we're going to do. We're going to correct our work and then we'll come back and analyze it, okay? Wonderful.